This user guide will show you how to open the Lumina Select Explainer on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. You are now on the Lumina Applicants Tracker interface. Select the position which the applicant is in. You are now on the positions dashboard. To view the applicants, navigate to the merit list. You can now choose the applicants using the applicant list on the left-hand side of the page. You can also search for them using the search bar above the applicants list. Once you have selected your chosen applicant, click on the Lumina Select Explainer button. If you have not enabled automatic points payments for the Lumina Select Explainer, you will need to unlock the explainer for 30 points. Once you have unlocked the Lumina Select Explainer, you will be able to click on any of the three icons to gain a deeper understanding into the applicant's Lumina Select portrait. Thank you for listening to this user guide on opening the Lumina Select Explainer on the Lumina Applicant Tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.